Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the feature electronically signed CWAs to the iParentPortal. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Settings. You're then going to click on the iParentPortal tab. Please note, to access the settings in Kidsoft, you need to ensure that your user role access has super user enabled. You're then going to switch on the Allow Guardian to electronically accept a CWA setting. To do this, tick the box and click Save. This feature is helpful for when creating enrollment notices for a child. It will send that CWA automatically through to the iParentPortal, asking the Guardian to confirm and acknowledge this CWA and electronically sign the document. When this setting is enabled, two additional settings will surface. The first one being the CWA terms and conditions. It allows you to enter in additional terms and conditions that you would like displayed on your CWA. By default, these terms and conditions are blank. You can enter the terms and conditions and click Save. The second additional setting is the enrollment notices sent to the iParentPortal. By default, it's going to select all CWA enrollment notices. This means that all 200A and 200D enrollment notices for a child will be sent to the iParentPortal for the Guardian to electronically sign. The second option is CWA 200A enrollment notices. If this option is selected, only 200A enrollment notices will be submitted to the iParentPortal for the Guardian to electronically sign. When this setting is enabled, the Guardian will receive a notification in the iParentPortal account asking them to acknowledge and electronically sign the CWA. If you require any further information regarding the electronically signed CWA feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.